Every day, millions of drivers get behind the wheel. Some arrive safely, others aren't so lucky. The difference? Awareness, preparation, and the power of defensive driving. Welcome to OSHA Outreach Courses, where your safety isn't just a guideline, it's our mission. Today we're introducing you to our online course, Defensive Driving Small Vehicles. It's a short, powerful 22-minute course designed to sharpen your driving skills and keep you one step ahead on the road. Before you even start the engine, this course walks you through vital pre-drive checks like inspecting your vehicle, adjusting your mirrors to kill those blind spots, and removing distractions that turn seconds into danger zones. You'll learn the small things that make a big difference because defensive driving isn't just about reacting, it's about preparing. You'll also explore the rules of engagement at intersections. Think you always have the right of way? Think again. This course teaches you the mindset of defensive patience, waiting, assessing, and never assuming. When it comes to changing lanes, you'll get pro tips on how to do it safely. Signal early. Check blind zones, never rush, no weaving, no sudden cuts. And what about road rage? You'll learn how to diffuse it, how to keep your cool when others lose theirs. No horn wars, no gestures, just steady, confident, safe driving. Because your goal is not just to arrive, but to arrive safely and stress-free. By the end of this 22-minute course, you'll have a complete toolkit of smart habits and real-world strategies. Whether you're driving for work or heading home after a long day, this course arms you with the mindset of a professional. And yes, once you complete the course, you'll receive your official certificate. Instant proof of your commitment to safety, something employers, managers, and safety teams love to see. So don't wait until a close call becomes a wake-up call. Click the link in the description. Enroll now in the Defensive Driving Small Vehicles course by OSHA Outreach Courses, and start driving smarter today.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.